how to turn on and off or enable or disable the infinity volume plus on your Tecno Spark Go 1S. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, you can tap this. In sounds and vibration, you can see here the infinity volume plus. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To turn on or enable the infinity volume plus, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or enabled. So if this enable infinity volume plus, allow you to hear more clearly in noisy environment. But it may affect the sound quality. When it's enabled, you can press the volume up button for higher volume level. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.